Hey friends, this is Raj here with another Photoshop tutorial. Today we're gonna be seeing duplicating your objects or your layers with the time-saving techniques. Now, many of you must be familiar with Photoshop and knowing how to duplicate your layers and stuffs. So here I have a Photoshop file here, and I have got my object here. Different way of duplicating your layers are like you can hold down your alt key and then just click and drag your object and you find a copy of your layer. Another way is if you press Ctrl J, you'll get a copy of your object and then you can move it, you can place it anywhere. But sometimes this becomes tedious and you have to keep duplicating manually, and sometimes it could be a time consuming in yeah, sometimes it could be a time consuming when you have tight deadlines for some projects and stuffs and all. So this technique can be used to create textures and other stuffs and all, depending upon the requirements. Now to create a duplicate of your layer, all you need to do is press alt, control and T. Now you'll get a transformation for your layer. Now next thing what you need to do is just click and drag. Now this will create a copy of your layer. As alt, as we hold down your alt and then just click and drag, and then we get a copy of our object. It is treated as the same way. Control T is for your transformation control and alt is just added to create a copy of your layer. So Control T your transformation and alt is added for your duplication. So select your layer, press Control Alt T and then just move across your object and you will find a copy of your layer. Now the next thing to do is once you have placed your object, select your layer and then just press Control Alt Shift T and you find copy. The more the number of time you press, the number of copies you get. Now this can be merged, this can be merged, and then if you repeat the same process again, like if you press Control Alt T and then just create a copy of your object and then press Control Alt Shift T, press enter, Alt Shift T, and then you can get a replicas of your object. Now this is the way you can create number of copies of your layers. Yeah, this can be very useful when you're creating a seamless textures or sort of patterns and all. So yeah, I hope this was useful for you and you're gonna be using this in your future when you're using Photoshop next time. So thank you for watching.